Welcome to Hotel Cheyenne at Disneyland Paris. This Western saloon-themed hotel is one of the best value resorts on property. So should you book it? Let us tell you everything you need to know, including its location, facilities, what to expect with the rooms, and we'll even show you how to walk to the parks. First up, we'll start with Hotel Cheyenne's location. It is situated opposite Hotel Santa Fe to the east of the parks, along a river that juts out from Lake Buena Vista. It's perfectly walkable to the parks in Disney Village, with our timer telling us it took just under 17 minutes to walk to the parks. Disney says it's a 20-minute walk, and we'd say that's about right. It's a nice walk along the water before passing Disney's New York Art of Marvel Hotel, and then onto and through Disney Village. There is also a free shuttle bus service from Hotel Cheyenne that picks you up right outside of the reception area, although we didn't use this as the walk really wasn't too bad. Overall, we thought the location was good, but it obviously isn't as good as the closer hotels, like Sequoia Lodge, New York Art of Marvel, Newport Bay, and the Disneyland Hotel. Next up, let's talk about what's on offer at Hotel Cheyenne. This Western-inspired property has some fantastic theming throughout, and is both clean and modern feeling, from the stunning main reception area through to the blocks that look like old saloons. It's a large property with over 1,000 rooms in various blocks, which are all named and stand out with their bright colors. It feels a bit like you've gone back in time to an old Western town, which we loved. There is a well-stocked shop on site for your Disney merch, and Cheyenne is the only on-site Disneyland Paris hotel with its own Starbucks, which is a big pro. We made good use of it. It is home to the popular Chuck Wagon Cafe Buffet restaurant, as well as the Red Garter Saloon Bar. Cheyenne also has a laundry room equipped with a vending machine and ice machine, and there's a free-to-use luggage area by reception. If you're looking for a pool, unfortunately Hotel Cheyenne does not have one. On to our room, and we were in Block 21, named Jesse James, which was nicely located opposite the main reception area. The theming inside the building was strong, with Woody's Roundup-themed carpets and walls, plenty of lighting, and a lovely open staircase area. Our room was on the upper floor, and we didn't notice any elevators, so we'd recommend requesting a ground floor room if stairs are an issue for you. We booked a standard room with one bed and a stowaway bed, and the rooms are themed exceptionally well at Hotel Cheyenne with cow print cushions, Toy Story nods throughout from the artwork to the wallpaper and curtains, and even this very cool sheriff's boot lamp. It had everything we needed for a pleasant stay, including a coffee machine, water bottles, and a modern TV. There was also a safe and plenty of hangers for clothes, as well as room to store your suitcases. The room also included extra pillows and blankets for the stowaway bed. We did not have a full-length mirror or a fridge, and only had plugs on one side of the bed. Aside from that, we were very impressed. The good-sized bathroom was also well-themed and came with Hotel Cheyenne branded soaps and shampoos, as well as plenty of clean towels. It's not luxury, but it was clean and didn't feel too outdated, so we were very happy. This is the second cheapest on-site Disneyland Paris resort, so we didn't expect to be wowed by the room, and it isn't luxury, but it has good facilities, some nice added extras, plenty of storage, and a comfy bed. Overall, we'd say it impressed and was good value for money. So, should you book Hotel Cheyenne? There are a lot of options for your Disneyland Paris stay, but Cheyenne is definitely very appealing. We would certainly consider staying here again. It lacks a luxury feel, but makes up for it with amazing theming that makes the hotel charming and full of character, and it is clearly well looked after as it felt very clean and well maintained for a budget resort. Our favorite on-site hotel is the New York Art of Marvel Hotel, but that is double the price of Cheyenne, while our previous Disneyland Paris stay was Sequoia Lodge, which is slightly more expensive but slightly closer too, and comes with a pool and gym. If you're on a budget, not bothered about a pool, and don't mind a 20-minute walk to the parks, then we would definitely recommend giving Hotel Cheyenne a try. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you found it useful. If you did, please give this video a like and let us know any questions you have in the comments. Please consider hitting the subscribe button too for more honest hotel reviews and other videos from our travels. It really helps the channel. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.